wood gets pretty dirty, but I'm getting it cleaned up pretty decent, using in between 100 and 120 grit, depending on what I can find laying around in my pile of old ones. That's what a little sanding will do. Nice. This is, yeah, we're looking at the bottom right now, so I can't remember what way we're going.